In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free account on Wufoo. Whether you're looking to create online forms, surveys, or gather data in a streamlined way, getting started with Wufoo is a breeze. So, let's jump right in and guide you step by step through the process of setting up your account. First, you'll want to visit the Wufoo sign-up page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Wufoo's website. Once there, look for the option to sign up. This will usually be located in a prominent spot on the homepage, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the sign-up page, where your journey to form building mastery begins. Now, it's time to enter your details. Start with your email address. Make sure to provide an email address that you can access easily, as this will be used for verifying your account and for any communication from Wufoo. Next, you'll need to choose a password. Wufoo requires that your password be at least 7 characters long and include at least one number. It's a good idea to think of something that's both secure and memorable, perhaps mixing letters, numbers, and symbols for added strength. As you continue, select a username. Your username is significant as it will form part of your unique subdomain and appear in your form's URL. So take a moment to consider a name that accurately represents your brand or purpose. If the name you choose is unavailable, don't worry. Wufoo will prompt you to try another. This is your chance to get creative, but keep it professional and relevant. Next, you'll need to agree to Wufoo's terms of service. It's important to read through these terms to understand any responsibilities and restrictions on your account. Once you feel comfortable with the terms laid out, simply check the box to indicate your agreement. This is a standard procedure that helps protect both your rights and those of Wufoo. After you've agreed to the terms, the next step is to complete the CAPTCHA. This is a simple security measure to verify that you're a real person and not an automated bot. Just follow the instructions provided, whether it's selecting certain images or transcribing a set of characters, to complete this task and move forward. Finally, click on the Create Account button. This action sends your information to Wufoo and you're set. You've officially created your free account, and you're ready to explore Wufoo's myriad tools and features. Congratulations on setting up your Wufoo account. Now you can start building engaging forms that suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new Wufoo account.